Here's some footage from this camera. Now, the really nice thing about having a window mounted camera is a lot of times you don't want to go through the work to install something outdoors. You run the risk of someone damaging it or stealing it, or maybe it's not going to do well in the elements. If you install this inside on a window, then you don't have to worry about any of that. And with the window mount that this comes with, you can actually move it around to different windows. So if you find you don't really like the spot, it's really easy to move it around as long as you have an outlet fairly close nearby. This is a sponsored video, so rather than sharing a lot of my opinion, I just kind of want to show you how to set things up and how it works. So you do have this kind of sticky side on the mount here. You can remove it from the glass and move it if you need to, and then this just kind of plops into place there, and it does have some magnets to help it stay in place. You have a microphone here that you can plug in here, and then it is powered via USB-C. And I can move the camera up and down a bit. It doesn't really move side to side very much though. I do recommend that you plug it into power and you set it up before you set it up on the window to make sure that everything's working. The app name is Showmo, and I will just continue with my Google account. With it plugged in, we will add device. Okay, so it is blinking, said ready for setup, and it looks like it found the device. So I'll just click on that. It's going to ask for Wi-Fi details. We will set this for indoor. I guess we'll go with pet monitoring. I give it the name for window camera, and you can pay for cloud storage, but it also has built-in storage. All right, so we've got the window camera. Press play and we are up and running. Well, hello there. How's it going? There is a speaker, so we can call the camera, we can take a snapshot or record a video, and then we can do playback. Obviously there's nothing to play back yet. Can view full screen if we want to. I've got notifications turned on. I can share the device with family members. I'll go ahead and leave the watermark on for now. If we look at the local storage, we've got local recording on, and I do not want continuous recording mode. I want event mode. Otherwise, this will fill up pretty quick. So look for the event 24/7, and it looks like there's a firmware update. So I will go ahead and do that before I put this on the window. As far as the video quality goes for this, I'm just going to show you some of the footage so you can see what it looks like in kind of a normal situation. Now, of course, where I've got this placed, sometimes the sun is shining directly into the camera. So how all this works, a lot of it's going to depend on how you install it or where you install it rather. But the nice thing for this is both the software setup and the physical setup is about as easy as you can get. It takes about 5 seconds to install it in the window, and then you plug it in. And then as far as the software goes, you can sign in with Google. It recognizes the device. You just click on it, and that's about all there is to it other than giving it a name, and then you're good to go. So you can use this for live viewing. It has an option to give notifications for different things, so it can look out for pets or vehicles or people or things like that. So depending on what you want to use this for, you might want to use this for if a car is coming by, or you might want to use this for checking out pets, making sure things are okay, or people or something like that. It's certainly a unique concept for a security camera. The main advantages here is just simply how easy it is to set up, and if you have a good spot from your window that you think you want security camera to go, then this is going to be absolutely perfect for you.